Alright guys, we are back for the second video of Introduction to HTML. Today we're going to be looking at codes for other links to other websites, URLs. We're also going to be linking to emails and images. So let's open Composer. We've been using this program for one video already, so this will be the second. We've been working on the awesome website, my new website. I've been working with you guys. So this first, what we've got here, we've just got simple text, and you can watch my other video, link in description for text. And as you can see, this is our source right now. This is our code. So today we are going to be looking at different kinds of links. So first we're going to put in a line break, which is the tag BR, and we're going to start with a simple link to a URL or website, which means link, href, and then equal sign. And then in the quotations, you're going to type HTTP and then the link. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Google right now. And then end the quotations. And then the target is in the quotations underscore blank, which means open in a separate window. Okay. And then in the little arrows here, we're going to put what we want our link text to be. So when you go to a website, you're going to see a whole bunch of links. Usually they're purple, or blue and underlined. And so that's what this text is. So our text is going to be link to Google. Okay. And then you're going to close the tag. Okay, and let's view this and check our code. And then let's preview. There we go. There's link to Google. So in Composer, the file, the program that we're using, it does not let us open. If you double click, you can clearly see that it heads to Google. It opens link properties instead. But if I were to save this, okay, I would open my, let's see, documents, and down here, the awesome website right here. So if I was going to open this in Chrome, there you go, link to Google. Boom, there's Google for you and their little Google doodles or whatever. So there's your first link. Second link, we have, go back into your source, okay, and put another line break in. Okay, this time we're gonna enter an email. So href, and basically you're just gonna copy the same code, and but this time in the where you would put the URL, you'd put mail to, all one word, colon, mail@mail.com, just for an example. You don't have to put the target in, so then we're just gonna put the little arrow and then email me here. Okay, then close the tag. So I'm gonna preview that. There we go. There's email me here. And as you can see, it brings up the link properties again. But if we were going to reset this, okay, we go into Brian, and oh, sorry, I didn't save it. Save. There we go. Okay, so then there's email me here, and then what it would do, you click on it, opens, your, and then it'll send it to the email that you've told it to send to. Okay, So next we're going to be doing images. So go back into your source and enter another line break. Okay, here we go. It's IMG, which stands for image, and then the source, which is SRC. Then basically what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. So let's see. Go into Google. Okay. Let's go to, oh geez, images. There we go, Google Images. Let's see. This is a pretty cool image. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're going to right click and go down to copy image URL. Okay. Now you're going to go back into your source and you are going to paste, okay? And that's, then you're going to close the quotations and then the alt, okay? The alt text is what is, when you go and search in Google, just like I did, what it brings up is the alt text, which is the alternate text, and it tells your browsers and search engines what this is about. So mine is gonna be cool colors. And then you're gonna close that, and then space, and then /, and then close that. Okay, and then enter another line break. Preview. There we go. That's quite big, and as you can see, that's the same one. So that's about it for today. You can also do the length, I believe. I don't know if this will work. Length, I believe is like 546, and then width is I think there's a and then you would enter your pixels. Okay, I'm just entering random pixels. I think this is gonna work. Yep, there we go. Okay, so there's your image now, and so that's how big it's gonna be, the pixels. Okay, right there, and that's about it for today. So yep. So put that into your code and comment, subscribe, and like if this helped you, and hopefully your website's coming together. Alright guys, see you next time.